to explore segments in Strava App. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial, and today I'll be teaching you how you can explore segments in Strava App with your mobile phone. Let's go. So the first thing to do as usual is to launch your Strava app on your mobile phone like I've done here. Once you've ensured that it's been opened on your phone, you'll be shown the interface. You would see the home page and you see the activities that you've done before. Under it, we have below the screen, we have the home icon, we have the map icon, the record icon, and so on. So here, what you need to do is to stay on your home page since you want to explore segments on the Strava app. Then at the lower part of the screen, just at the right side, we have the plus icon. You click on the plus icon, then three options will be displayed on your screen. We have the post option, we have the pictures option, we have the manual activity option. Then you click on any of the segments to continue. Here I clicked on the manual activity. Then here you title your segments like I'm doing here. Run, any one that you want as it suits you. You title it, then you scroll down, you put in the time that you want, you put in the kilometer if it's 2 hours per kilometer or meter. Then after you've done this, ensure you also input all the necessary information on this page. Then when you're done, at the upper part of the screen, at the right side, we have the save icon. You click on the save icon, then just look around the screen till you see the explore icon. When you click on the explore icon, and that's it. That is simply how you can explore segments on Strava app. I hope you find this video very insightful. Thank you.